Hi guys, I'm Lauren, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add sound wave animations to any Insta-Reel, TikTok, YouTube, podcast in minutes. And don't worry, you don't need a degree in animation to do this. No After Effects, no problem, I got you covered. Just click the first link in the description and we can get started. Alright, now we're in VEED, we need to upload our media file. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose a clip of me talking directly to camera and I'm going to edit it in a style that's for podcast but also for YouTube. So now we want to click create new project, upload media, choose your file and give that a minute to upload. Now we need to jazz it up. Okay, so in the left hand column here, you're going to see we have an icon for elements. Click that and in here you'll see shapes, emojis, progress bars, callouts, etc. Now before we add our sound wave, we're actually going to choose a shape first. So we're going to click on square. We're going to drag it to the bottom of the frame and we're going to pull it all the way over. Now we can change the color, we can add an outline by choosing the color and increasing the number next to size. Next, head to the timeline and drag your shape bar all the way to the end of the clip just so that it stays on screen for the entire duration. Now the reason that we're doing this is so when we add our sound wave animation on top of this shape, it's really going to pop, it's going to stand out, and it's more visually appealing than having the sound wave animation compete with all the different colors in the background. So now we're going to add our sound wave animation. We're going to click elements again. We're going to scroll down to sound waves and click view all. And here we've got all these different styles. So as always, you just choose whichever one works for you. I think I'm going to go purple one. And now I'm going to drag the corners and the sides out so that it fits the entire bottom of the screen. Also, you can see here we have the option to change the color. So I think I'm going to go for yellow. And now if I play it through, you'll see the sound wave animation in full effect.
When heading to Naples for the first time, myself and Lee were met with a barrage of negativity directed towards the city. Numerous people warned us to be safe.
Last little touch we're going to do is we're going to add a podcast sticker. So again, we're going to go back to elements, scroll down to where you see the podcast stickers and choose either one, whichever one you like better. And then I'm just going to resize it. And done. Perfect. I'm really happy with that. So now we can export it. So we're going to head to the top, click export, choose our render settings and click export once more. And it's just going to take a minute here to render and then we're just going to watch it through just once just to make sure that we're really happy with how everything looks.
When heading to Naples for the first time, myself and Lee were met with a barrage of negativity directed towards the city. Numerous people warned us to be safe.
And then lastly, download and download MP4. And that's it. That is how you add sound wave animations and how you give your podcast that extra visual element. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing content, and leave me any comments or questions down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!